Did you know that a single parrot can have a vocabulary of up to 1,000 words? Let's embark on a fascinating journey exploring the top 10 most interesting animals, starting with this surprising fact about parrots. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of amazing creatures. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the mimic octopus. Now this is no ordinary octopus. It has a unique talent for imitation that's truly astounding. Unlike its other 8-armed relatives, the mimic octopus can transform its shape, color, and even behavior to mimic other sea creatures, aiding in both hunting and evasion from predators. This master of disguise makes its home in the sandy bottoms of shallow tropical waters, mainly in the Indo-Pacific region. Its diet? Mainly small fish and crustaceans. And how does it hunt? Well, it uses its excellent mimicry skills, of course. Whether it's pretending to be a venomous lionfish or a sea snake, its unsuspecting prey doesn't stand a chance. So, if you ever find yourself in the underwater world of the mimic octopus, you might just be looking at a flounder, a crab, or even a sea anemone. But look again, it could be our shape-shifting friend. Imagine being able to change your appearance on demand, just like the mimic octopus. At number 9, meet the leafcutter ant, nature's little gardener. These industrious little creatures are not just leaf cutters but leaf lifters too, capable of carrying foliage up to 50 times their own body weight. That's like you or me hoisting a small car. But they're not munching on these leaves. No, they are fungus farmers. They carry their leafy haul back to their colony, where they break it down into a mulch to cultivate a special type of fungus, which forms their primary food source. But these tiny farmers are also crucial for the ecosystem. By trimming the trees and plants, they promote new growth, and their underground farming helps to aerate the soil, much like earthworms do. They are nature's unsung heroes, working tirelessly to maintain the balance. So the next time you see an ant, remember it might just be a tiny farmer. Number 8 on our list is the mantis shrimp, a small creature with a powerful punch. When we say powerful, we're not kidding. This shrimp's claws can strike with the speed of a bullet and with enough force to break a glass aquarium. The real kicker? They use this superpower to crack open the shells of their prey. But the mantis shrimp's prowess doesn't stop there. Their eyes can see an array of colors that is simply beyond our human comprehension. Imagine a world bursting with hues we can't even dream of. That's the everyday view for these vibrant crustaceans. When it comes to hunting, the mantis shrimp is an ambush predator. It uses its exceptional vision to spot prey, then strikes with lightning speed. Its powerful claws make short work of crabs, fish, and even other shrimps. Don't let the mantis shrimp's size fool you, it's one of the ocean's mightiest creatures. Number 7 is the bombardier beetle, a bug with a bang. Now this isn't your average garden beetle. The bombardier beetle has developed a rather explosive defense mechanism. When threatened, it produces a chemical reaction within its body, creating a boiling, noxious spray that it ejects at its attackers. Imagine having a built-in chemical warfare system. This beetle isn't picky about its home either. They're found across every continent except Antarctica, thriving in a variety of environments from lush rainforests to arid deserts. And their life cycle? It's as fascinating as their defense strategy. They start as eggs, then morph into larvae, pupae, and finally into the explosive adults we've been talking about. Each stage has its own survival strategies, but it's that final transformation when they gain their unique chemical weaponry. The bombardier beetle truly takes self-defense to a whole new level. Coming in at number 6 is the pistol shrimp, the noisiest creature in the ocean. This diminutive dynamo has some serious sound power, making a noise louder than a jet engine to stun its prey. Yes, you heard that right. It's all thanks to its oversized claw, which, when snapped shut, creates a high-pressure bubble that collapses with a loud pop. But it's not just about the noise. The pistol shrimp is also known for its symbiotic relationship with gobies, a type of fish. The shrimp digs and maintains a burrow which provides both of them a safe haven, while the goby acts as a lookout, warning the shrimp of approaching predators. This shrimp usually makes its home in the warm waters of the tropics. From the Pacific Ocean to the Indian Ocean and even the Red Sea, this little crustacean is making waves. The pistol shrimp, a small creature making big noise. Halfway through our countdown at number 5 we have the axolotl, the forever young amphibian. This curious creature, hailing from the mystical waters of Mexico, has a peculiar trait that sets it apart from other animals. It retains its larval form throughout its life, effectively remaining a juvenile, hence the nickname Peter Pan of the animal kingdom. But that's not all. The axolotl boasts an astonishing ability to regenerate. From limbs to their spinal cord, even parts of their heart, these little wonders can grow it all back. A feat that leaves scientists in awe. However, the axolotl is not just fascinating, it's also vulnerable. This intriguing amphibian is on the brink of extinction, with its natural habitat under constant threat. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve this marvel of nature. The axolotl, a fascinating creature that's defying the aging process. At number 4, meet the tardigrade, the toughest creature on Earth. Don't be fooled by its microscopic size. This tiny creature, also known as a water bear or moss piglet, is a true survivor. Now you might be wondering what makes the tardigrade so tough. Well, it's their ability to withstand extreme conditions that would be lethal to most life forms. Imagine a creature that can survive in temperatures as low as -272 degrees Celsius. That's just 1 degree above absolute zero, and as high as 150 degrees Celsius. They can survive in the vacuum of outer space, withstand radiation, and even go without food or water for more than 30 years by entering a state of suspended animation. When it comes to diet, tardigrades are omnivores. They feed on plant cells, algae, and small invertebrates. So here's to the tardigrade, tiny but mighty. Coming in at number 3 is the lyrebird, the world's greatest impersonator. Now this bird is a true marvel of nature, a living, breathing, singing testament to the power of mimicry. The lyrebird, native to the rainforest of Australia, has an uncanny ability to mimic almost any sound it hears. From the melodies of other birds to the cacophony of chainsaws and car alarms, there's hardly a sound this bird can't replicate with astonishing accuracy. But why, you might ask, does the lyrebird need such an extensive repertoire? Well, it's all about attracting a mate. The male lyrebird, you see, uses his virtuoso performance to woo potential partners. The more sounds he can mimic, the more likely he is to win over a female. And it's not just about courtship. The lyrebird's mimicry also plays a crucial role in its survival, allowing it to communicate with other species and warn of impending dangers. The lyrebird, a bird with 1,000 voices. At number 2, meet the cuttlefish, the master of disguise in the ocean. This is no ordinary cephalopod. The cuttlefish possesses an extraordinary ability to alter its skin color and texture. It's like a living, breathing mood ring, shifting shades to communicate, camouflage, or coordinate. This chameleon of the sea can match the patterns and textures of its surroundings in the blink of an eye, making it a stealthy hunter and a slippery prey. When it comes to hunting, the cuttlefish is a strategic genius. It employs a technique called aggressive mimicry, imitating the color and behavior of harmless creatures to lure its unsuspecting prey. But the cuttlefish's life isn't all about deception and dining. It has a fascinating life cycle too. After a brief, intense mating season, females lay hundreds of eggs and guard them until their end, ensuring the survival of the next generation. The cuttlefish, a beautiful and brainy creature of the deep. And finally, at number 1, we have the dolphin, one of the smartest animals on Earth. The dolphin's intelligence is truly astonishing. These marine creatures are known to possess a high degree of cognitive abilities comparable to those of primates. Dolphins have been observed using tools, recognizing themselves in mirrors, and even understanding abstract concepts, a feat few other animal species can boast. In addition to their intelligence, dolphins are renowned for their complex vocalizations. They communicate using a series of clicks, whistles, and body movements, creating a language that is as intricate as it is fascinating. Dolphins are also incredibly social creatures. They live in groups called pods, often displaying cooperative behavior and demonstrating strong bonds between pod members. But what truly sets dolphins apart is their playful nature. They are known to engage in games, acrobatic displays, and even interactions with humans. The dolphin, a testament to the wonders of animal intelligence.